It's your friend's birthday tomorrow, and instead of sending a simple message, you surprise them with a beautiful personal website made in just a few minutes. The best part? You don't need to know coding at all. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a stunning birthday website using Blackbox AI from start to finish. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a professional looking birthday website in Blackbox AI. Even if you've never built a website before, don't worry, just follow these simple steps. First, open the Blackbox AI website in your browser. If you don't already have an account, click sign up and create one using your Google account or email address. If you already have an account, simply click login and enter your credentials to access the dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main workspace where you can chat with Blackbox AI. This is where the magic happens. Now type a detailed prompt like this. Create a modern birthday website with colorful balloons, animated confetti, a birthday cake, a countdown timer, a photo gallery, a birthday message, background music, and a responsive design for mobile and desktop. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the final website will be. Press enter, and Blackbox AI will start generating the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for your website. Within moments, you'll have a complete design ready to preview. Next, open the live preview to see your website in action. Test every section carefully. If you want to personalize it, simply ask Blackbox AI to change the birthday person's name, update the colors, add more animations, include a custom photo gallery, or even insert a special birthday video. The AI will instantly update the code for you. Once you're happy with the result, download or copy the generated code. You can host it on platforms like GitHub Pages or Netlify and share the website link with your friends or family. They'll be surprised to receive a personalized birthday website instead of an ordinary greeting card. That's how easy it is to create a beautiful birthday website using Blackbox AI without writing code yourself.